Experiencing autopilot issues on your Model S? Don't panic. Many problems are easily resolved. This video will guide you through common fixes like camera calibration, settings adjustments, and simple reboots. We'll focus on practical steps to get your autopilot back up and running quickly, minimizing dealership visits. Common autopilot issues include non-functional systems, frequent disengagements, and calibration alerts. Many stem from hardware malfunctions, software glitches, or user errors. The good news is most are fixable at home. First, check your autopilot settings. On your vehicle's touchscreen, navigate to Controls, then Autopilot. Ensure the feature is enabled and look for any alerts like calibration needed or service required. The Tesla app also allows remote diagnostics. A simple reboot often resolves software hiccups. Park your Model S, turn it off completely for 2 to 3 minutes, then restart. This clears temporary glitches in the autopilot ECU. For camera calibration, press and hold both scroll wheels on the steering wheel for 10 seconds, then select Calibrate Cameras from the service menu. Drive at speeds above 25 miles per hour on straight roads with clear lane markings for 5 to 10 minutes. This aligns cameras for accurate depth perception. If these quick fixes don't resolve the issue, it's time to seek professional help. Visit a Tesla service center for certified repairs and recalibration. Camera calibration is essential for Tesla Autopilot to function accurately. It ensures the cameras can properly detect depth and identify objects around the vehicle. Without proper calibration, Autopilot may misjudge distances or fail to detect obstacles, compromising safety. Calibration becomes necessary after windshield replacement, sensor repairs, or when you see a calibration alert on the vehicle's dashboard. To start calibration, access the touchscreen and navigate to Controls, then Autopilot. The system will show calibration options or status messages. Once initiated, drive at speeds above 25 miles per hour on a straight road with clear lane markings. The calibration process typically takes between 5 and 10 minutes. Incorrect settings can sometimes cause autopilot malfunctions in your Tesla Model S. Let's walk through how to access and adjust these settings to ensure everything is configured correctly. First, tap on your Tesla's touchscreen to navigate to the Controls menu. From there, select Autopilot to access the Settings panel, where you can enable or disable features. Once in the Autopilot menu, verify that all desired features like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping are toggled on. If they're off, tap to enable them. Check the screen for any alert messages. If you see calibration needed or service required, these indicate issues that need addressing before Autopilot will function properly. For additional control, open the Tesla mobile app on your phone. Here you can perform remote diagnostics and make some autopilot setting adjustments without being in the car. Finally, double-check that all toggles and settings are configured exactly how you want your autopilot to behave. This will help prevent malfunctions and ensure safe operation. A simple reboot can often resolve software glitches affecting autopilot. Park your Model S, turn it off completely, and wait 2 to 3 minutes. Restart the car. This clears temporary freezes in the autopilot ECU, electronic control unit, similar to restarting a computer. Try this as your first troubleshooting step. It resolves many minor issues. Dirty cameras or sensors can significantly impact autopilot performance. Regularly inspect the 8 surround cameras, radar, and ultrasonic sensors for dirt, debris, or obstructions. Inspect the 8 surround cameras, radar, and ultrasonic sensors for dirt, debris, or obstructions. Clean them gently with a microfiber cloth and isopropyl alcohol. Pay close attention after driving in inclement weather. Blocked sensors can lead to autopilot disengagements. While many Tesla autopilot issues can be resolved through DIY methods like rebooting the system, recalibrating cameras, and cleaning sensors, some problems require professional attention to ensure safety and proper functionality. If you've tried these basic fixes and the issues persist, look for signs that indicate you need professional help. Recurring disengagements, persistent error messages, or camera misalignment after an accident are clear indicators that certified repair is necessary. For instance, a camera that's been knocked out of alignment, perhaps from a collision, will need professional recalibration at a Tesla service center, which typically costs around $200. In these cases, Schedule an appointment at your nearest Tesla service center or authorized repair facility to have the system properly diagnosed and fixed. Tesla Autopilot is classified as SAE Level 2 automation, meaning it requires constant driver supervision and cannot operate without human intervention. This chart shows the SAE levels of driving automation. Tesla Autopilot operates at Level 2, where the vehicle can steer, accelerate, and brake automatically, but the driver must remain alert and ready to intervene. At SAE Level 2, the driver remains fully responsible for vehicle operation. You must keep your hands on the steering wheel, maintain visual attention to the road ahead, and be ready to take control at any moment. Autopilot relies on cameras, radar, and ultrasonic sensors that can be impaired by rain, fog, snow, or extreme weather. Poor lighting conditions, like nighttime or glare, can reduce sensor effectiveness. Complex road situations such as construction zones or unexpected obstacles may exceed Autopilot's capabilities. Over-reliance on Autopilot or using it inappropriately can create dangerous situations. Drivers must remain vigilant, as the system can fail or make errors. Remember, Autopilot enhances safety when used correctly, but it does not replace the need for an attentive human driver. Tesla continues to enhance Autopilot through frequent over-the-air updates, bringing significant improvements to camera integration and overall reliability. The latest full self-driving supervised version 12.3.1 showcases these advancements, with improved sensor fusion and fewer unnecessary interventions. Future versions will further refine camera integration, allowing the system to better process visual data in various conditions, from low light to adverse weather. Expect a significant reduction in false disengagements where the system incorrectly stops assistance, improving the driving experience on highways. FSD V13, expected in mid-2026, will introduce end-to-end neural networks trained on extensive real-world data, potentially reducing calibration needs by up to 30% through self-correcting algorithms. Keep your vehicle's software updated to access these advancements automatically through over-the-air updates, ensuring you benefit from the latest safety and reliability improvements. The future focuses on increased reliability, with Tesla projecting an 80% reduction in autopilot-related accidents by 2028 through predictive maintenance alerts and advanced AI training. While advancements continue, regulatory scrutiny may lead to stricter protocols, and driver vigilance remains essential as Autopilot is still a Level 2 system requiring active monitoring.